Alright, let's go through this chapter step by step. Lesson 3. We are 7. William Wordsworth. Let's start. The poet.
William Wordsworth, 1770-1850, was one of the greatest poets of nature. William Wordsworth 1770-1850 प्रकृति के महानतम कवियों में से एक थे. This tells us about William Wordsworth, the writer of the poem, and his importance as a poet who loved nature. He was a major poet of the Romantic period. वह रोमांटिक काल के एक प्रमुख कवि थे. This places him in a specific time in literary history known for its focus on emotion, imagination, and nature. His greatest poems are The Prelude, The Daffodils, Tintern Abbey, London 1802, Ode to Duty, Upon Westminster Bridge, etc. उनकी कुछ महानतम कविताएं The Prelude, The Daffodils, Tintern Abbey, London 1802, Ode to Duty, Upon Westminster Bridge आदि हैं. This lists some of his most famous and important works. He spent his life in the Lake District of England. उन्होंने अपना जीवन इंग्लैंड के लेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में बिताया. This gives us information about where he lived. The present text is an edited version of his poem We Are 7. यह पाठ उनकी कविता We Are 7 का एक संपादित संस्करण है. This tells us that the following text is a slightly changed version of his original poem.
Let's share. Certainly. Let's go through William Wordsworth's poem We Are 7 line by line, explaining it in both English and Hindi.
Stanza 1.
English. A simple child that lightly draws its breath and feels its life in every limb. What should it know of death?
हिंदी. एक साधारण बच्चा वटाते हुए जो हल्की सांस लेता है और अपने हर अंग में जीवन महसूस करता है, वटाते हुए मृत्यु के बारे में क्या जानेगा?
Explanation. The poem begins by introducing a young, innocent child who is full of life and energy. The speaker wonders what such a child could possibly understand about the concept of death.
Stanza 2.
English. I met a little cottage girl. She was 8 years old, she said. Her hair was thick with many a curl that clustered round her head.
हिंदी. मैं एक छोटी कुटिया वाली लड़की से मिला. उसने कहा वो 8 साल की थी. उसके बाल घने और कई घुंघराले थे जो उसके सिर के चारों ओर गुच्छे बने हुए थे.
Explanation. The speaker encounters a young girl living in a cottage who tells him she is 8 years old. He describes her physical appearance, noting her thick, curly hair.
Stanza 3.
English. She had a rustic woodland air, and she was wildly clad. Her eyes were fair and very fair. Her beauty made me glad.
हिंदी. उसमें एक देहाती वनवासी अंदाज था और उसने साधारण कपड़े पहने हुए थे और बहुत सुंदर थीं और बहुत सुंदर थीं और बहुत सुंदर थीं. उसकी सुंदरता ने मुझे खुश कर दिया.
Explanation. The speaker observes the girl's simple, natural charm, suggesting she belongs to the countryside. He finds her eyes very beautiful and her overall appearance pleasing.
Stanza 4.
English. Sisters and brothers, little maid, how many may you be? Lesh. How many? 7 in all, she said, and wondering looked at me.
हिंदी. बहनें और भाई, छोटी बच्ची, तुम कितने हो? बाय कितने? कुल मिलाकर 7 उसने कहा और आश्चर्य से मेरी ओर देखा.
Explanation. The speaker asks the little girl about her siblings. She replies that there are 7 in total, looking at him with a sense of surprise at his question.
Stanza 5.
English. And where are they? I pray you tell. She answered. 7 are we, and 2 of us at Conway dwell, and 2 are gone to sea.
हिंदी. और वे कहाँ हैं? मैं तुमसे विनती करता हूँ, बताओ. जेल में अपनी भूमिका निभा रहे थे. उसने उत्तर दिया, हम 7 हैं, वह चिल्लाते हुए, और हम में से 2 कॉन्वे में रहते हैं, वह चिल्लाते हुए, और 2 समुद्र में गए हैं.
Explanation. The speaker asks where her siblings are. She explains that 2 of them live in a place called Conway, and 2 others are away at sea.
Stanza 6.
English. 2 of us in the churchyard lie, my sister and my brother, and in the churchyard cottage I dwell near them with my mother.
हिंदी. हम में से 2 चर्च के कब्रिस्तान में दफन हैं, मेरी बहन और मेरा भाई, और चर्च के कब्रिस्तान की कुटिया में मैं अपनी माँ के साथ उनके पास रहती हूँ.
Explanation. The girl reveals that 2 of her siblings, a sister and a brother, are buried in the churchyard. She and her mother live in a cottage near the churchyard.
Stanza 7.
English. You say that 2 at Conway dwell, and 2 are gone to sea, yet ye are 7. I pray you tell, sweet maid, how this may be.
हिंदी. तुम कहती हो कि 2 कॉन्वे में रहते हैं और 2 समुद्र में गए हैं और 2 समुद्र में गए हैं और फिर भी तुम 7 हो. मैं तुमसे विनती करता हूं, बताओ, पचिल्लाते बच्ची, ये कैसे हो सकता है?
Explanation. The speaker points out that according to her explanation, he can only account for 4 siblings, 2 in Conway, 2 at sea. He is puzzled and asks her to explain how they are still 7.
Stanza 8.
English. Then did the little maid reply, 7 boys and girls are we, 2 of us in the churchyard liye, beneath the churchyard tree.
हिंदी। तब छोटी बच्ची ने उत्तर दिया और चिल्लाते हुए, हम 7 लड़के और लड़कियां हैं, और चिल्लाते हुए, हम में से 2 चर्च के कब्रिस्तान में दफन हैं, और चिल्लाते हुए चर्च के कब्रिस्तान के पेड़ के नीचे।
Explanation. The little girl insists that there are 7 of them in total, and reiterates that 2 of them are buried in the churchyard under the tree.
Stanza 9.
English. You run about, my little maid, your limbs they are alive. If 2 are in the churchyard laid, then ye are only 5.
हिंदी। तुम इधर उधर दौड़ती हो, मेरी छोटी बच्ची, पर चिल्लाते हुए, तुम्हारे अंग जीवित हैं, पर चिल्लाते हुए, यदि 2 चर्च के कब्रिस्तान में दफन हैं, पर चिल्लाते हुए, तो तुम केवल 5 हो।
Explanation. The speaker emphasizes that she is alive and active. He reasons that if 2 of her siblings are dead and buried, then there can only be 5 living children.
Stanza 10.
English. Their graves are green, they may be seen. The little maid replied, 12 steps or more from my mother's door, and they are side by side.
हिंदी। उनकी कब्रें हरी हैं, उन्हें देखा जा सकता है, और छोटी बच्ची ने उत्तर दिया, और छप मेरी माँ के दरवाजे से 12 कदम या उससे अधिक दूर, और वे अगल बगल हैं।
Explanation. The little girl describes the graves of her siblings as being visible and located near her home, just a short distance from her mother's door, lying next to each other.
Stanza 11.
English. How many are you then, said I, if they too are in heaven? Quick was the little maid's reply, Oh master, we are 7.
हिंदी। तो तुम कितने हो? मैंने कहा, अगर वे 2 स्वर्ग में हैं। वार छोटी बच्ची का उत्तर तुरंत था, और साहब, हम 7 हैं।
Explanation. The speaker tries a different angle, suggesting that the deceased siblings are in heaven. However, the little girl quickly and firmly reiterates that they are still 7.
Stanza 12.
English. But they are dead. Those 2 are dead. Their spirits are in heaven. 'Twas throwing words away, for still the little maid would have her will, and said, Nay, we are 7.
हिंदी। लेकिन वे मर चुके हैं, वे 2 मर चुके हैं, वारे उनकी आत्माएं स्वर्ग में हैं। वारे ये शब्दों को बर्बाद करना था, क्योंकि फिर भी वार छोटी बच्ची अपनी बात पर अड़ी रही। वार और कहा, नहीं, हम 7 हैं।
Explanation. The speaker insists on the finality of death and suggests that their spirits are in heaven. However, the little girl remains resolute and stubbornly repeats, No, we are 7. Overall meaning. The poem explores the innocent perspective of a child who does not fully grasp the concept of death as a complete separation. For her, the bond with her siblings remains unbroken, regardless of whether they are alive or deceased. The poem highlights the difference between an adult's logical understanding of death and a child's more emotional and connected view of family.